Vantrue F1 Motorcycle 4K Dashcam Review, How IP67 Waterproofing and Dual Recording Changed Rides. You know that sinking feeling when you narrowly avoid a collision and realize nobody saw what actually happened? A rider last month watched a car change lanes directly into him, then drive away. No witnesses, no proof, just his word against silence. That quiet helplessness stays with you. You replay the moment, wondering if anyone would believe your story. Ever been there? Here's what eats at you. Every ride without protection is a gamble with your safety, your insurance rates, and your peace of mind. One commuter spent 3 months fighting a false claim because he had no video evidence of a hit and run that wasn't his fault. The stress was unbearable. Relief exists now. There's finally a way forward that works. That's when I discovered the Vantrue F1 Motorcycle 4K Dashcam, a dual-channel system recording 4K front and 1080p rear simultaneously, wrapped in full-body IP67 waterproofing that survives torrential rain, road spray, and dust storms without missing a single frame. Don't just buy any motorcycle dashcam. Make sure it has true IP67 waterproof protection so you never suffer from corrupted footage or camera failure when you desperately need evidence again. The difference becomes clear immediately. The 4K front camera captures license plates 3 cars ahead at highway speed, while the 160-degree wide angle pulls in cross-traffic at intersections most cameras miss entirely. A touring rider caught a distracted driver drifting into his lane on a mountain pass. The footage showed the car, the plate, the exact moment, all in crystal clarity that made the insurance claim effortless. The built-in GPS stamps speed and location data directly onto your video. The wired remote lets you lock critical footage with one thumb press without taking hands off the bars. And the Sony Starvis night vision turns dark country roads into usable evidence. Small bonus, parking mode guards your bike even when you're inside.
3 months in, I stopped worrying about the what-if scenarios that used to run through my head during every commute, because I know exactly what would happen now. I'd have undeniable proof. That's not paranoia talking. It's what happens when you ride with a system recording 4K detail with GPS-verified speed overlays and dual-angle coverage capturing everything front and rear simultaneously. A motorcycle gear testing publication noted the F1's full-body IP67 rating isn't marketing fluff. They submerged the cameras and rode through sustained downpours with zero moisture ingress or fogging. One daily commuter mentioned he finally won a disputed insurance claim after his F1 footage clearly showed a car running a red light before the collision, something he couldn't prove before. Worried about installation complexity or dealing with cables on your bike? The comprehensive kit includes handlebar mounts, waterproof connectors, and clear routing instructions that most riders complete in under 2 hours, and the result looks factory installed rather than aftermarket clutter. Industry analysts tracking motorcycle safety equipment note that dual-channel dash cams with verified waterproof ratings are becoming standard recommendations from insurance providers who recognize their value in reducing fraudulent claims and expediting legitimate ones. What would it feel like to ride knowing you're completely protected from false accusations, hit and runs, and memory gaps during stressful incidents? This compounds peace of mind.
The Vantrue F1 delivers what serious riders have quietly needed: true 4K evidence quality, proven IP67 weather protection, dual-channel coverage, and GPS verification that insurance companies and law enforcement actually trust. Thousands of motorcyclists and daily commuters are already riding with the confidence that comes from comprehensive video protection. Results may vary based on installation quality and riding conditions. If you're ready to stop riding vulnerable and start riding protected with evidence that actually holds up when it matters most, check the link in the description and experience the difference today. Your next ride deserves this.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.